Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Gyanesh Notial. If you are not subscribed my YouTube channel, then subscribe it and click on bell icon. Then you got lot of video to learn in mathematics, how to solve the mathematics problem in easily and understanding method. And sometime you got lot of solution of any one questions. So in mathematics, we can solve any question by different way. It is our choice. So today's topic is median. In median, we have previous video, we have already learned that the individual this frequency distribution and ungrouped frequency distribution table. We can find the median by simple n upon 2 formula in ungrouped frequency distribution table, and if individual distribution data, then we write in ascending order. Then if data are odd, then we find the value n plus 1 upon 2 th terms, and if data are even, then we find 1 upon 2 bracket n upon 2 terms plus n upon 2 plus 1 th terms. So today's we take in median if data are in alphabet or unknown part. So how we can solve the median? So let's start today's first question. Here we have given number of 2, 3, 5, bracket 6 plus x, 9, 10 and 15 are in ascending order and written in the ascending order. If their median is 7, median are given. Here number of data is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Anytime if in datas have alphabet any unknown value, then in median always write the data in ascending order, because without ascending order we cannot solve the any median. But here median are given, so we use the median formula. Median formula is for odd terms we have n plus 1 upon 2 th terms. Here median are 7 and are 7 plus 1 upon 2 th terms. Next 7 is adjective because number r cannot solve itself. Next is 7 plus 1 upon 2 means fourth terms. Here fourth terms is 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth terms is 6 plus x. So write the value 7 equals to 6 plus x. Now we take alphabet in one side and number all in second side. So take 6 in second side, then we got 7 minus 6 is equal to x, means x 1 equal to x. So our x value is 1. By this method we can calculate the any unknown value in our data if median are given. Always remember that does not happen what is the alphabet given in our data. Always remember, first we use the formula if median are given. I always say that if any question in mathematics, any things are given and which have the formula, then use that formula. Here median are given and median have the formula, so use it. So let's take today's next question. Here we have given following data are value of variable. It means some data are given and arranged in ascending order. I already said that if median are given, then data in always in ascending order. So our data is 8, 11, 12, 16, 16 plus x, 20, 25, 30. Total number of data is 8, means even. And if median is 18, so we have to find the value of x. Here number of data is even, so we use the median of formula for even terms. Is median equals to 1 upon 2 bracket n upon 2 th terms and n upon 2 plus 1 th terms. Now here median are given is 18. Next 1 upon 2 is as it is. N value is 8. 8 upon 2 th terms plus 8 upon 2 plus 1 th terms. Now we calculate. Here the 2 are in denominator. We take in second side, then it will be multiplied. So 18 2 ja 36. Here 8 upon 2 terms means fourth terms. And 8 upon 2 plus 1 means fifth terms. 8 upon 2 is 4, fifth terms. Now we write the value which are given in our data 4 times 6 terms. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth terms is 16 and 15th terms is 16 plus x. Here 16 and 16 are both are sign same, so add them. Then 16 plus 16 is 32 plus x. Now we take number in one side and alphabet in other side. So 32 comes in this side. So 36 minus 32. Then 36 minus 32 is 4. So our x value is 4. So our data is 8, 11, 12, 16 and 16 plus 4 is 20. So we can calculate the unknown variable in our data if median are given. Always remember that in any questions, if median, mode, volume, area, anything which are given and which have the formula, then use the formula. By this method we can calculate the any unknown part. Generally, not always, but generally we can find the solution. So thank you for watching this video. If you are not subscribed my YouTube channel, then subscribe it and click on bell icon and write the comment how you think about this class and how which topic do you learn in this class. So thank you for watching this video.